I'm sure you have seen this issue before, so you try to edit one of your photos using AI where you have humans in the picture, and slowly but surely the AI completely loses it. So in this video I want to show you how you can actually edit your photos in a reliable way using the latest state-of-the-art AI image generator called Nano Banana, and I will also compare it with ChatGPT. The way this works is I'm going to go here in OpenArt.ai, where you can, by the way, find a link in the description. Then I will just choose the Nano Banana AI image generator model, and I will drag and drop my image into the view, and I will just tell basic edits for the AI to do on this picture. For example, to turn the shirt blue or something like that. And then I will do the exact same thing using ChatGPT. And to save your time, I have actually already done this. So now I will just show you my results of what happened. And now let me show you what happened when I started to edit my photos using Nano Banana. So here is the original photo. This is a real one. And as the first step, I asked the AI to turn my shirt blue. And here's the result. Then I asked the AI to convert the background into an office space. And once again, here's the result. And as you can already see, the character consistency remains. So it perfectly edits out the parts that I want to edit, and it leaves all those parts that I don't want to touch intact. So this is really cool. Then I asked it to make me wear a suit, and then I also asked it to place myself in New York City, and then I asked to turn the suit dark blue. Now the only problem I had with this one is that when I turned this office space into New York City street, the lighting isn't changing. And even though I asked it to match the lighting of the scene here, it refused to do so. So I don't know what's going on there, but nonetheless, the character consistency remained very nicely. So I look exactly the same as I do in this last image as I do in this original one. So that's pretty awesome. But then let's see what happens when I do the same exact thing using ChatGPT. So once again, we start with the original photo of myself, and first I told it to make me wear a blue shirt. So this is not too bad, although I can already see some uncanniness in my eyes and lips. So it changed me a bit, but also it made me look a bit sharper here compared to the original one. So this is actually pretty good. But then I asked it to make myself sit in an office space. So now I no longer look like nothing like myself at all here. So it is perfectly out of place. And this was even worse. So now I'm wearing a suit. That looks nice, but my face is starting to morph into something else. And here I have placed myself into New York City. And here I asked it to match the lighting of the scene. So it changed quite drastically from this image to this, but now I no longer look like myself at all. And here's the last photo where I asked it to turn my suit into dark gray. So this is a terrible, terrible, absolute mess if you compare it with the original one or one of the original photos. So here I look like a completely different person compared to this or this. So here you can see how when you start to edit your photos using ChatGPT, you are already messed up because it will not only change the parts you want to change, but it will also recreate the whole photo, which means that it will start to slowly but surely go into a total opposite direction. But now let me also show you what happens if I use OpenArt and if I use Nano Banana model, that is to create a custom character. So I first told the AI to create this kind of a person, a model wearing a red jacket in New York City. So here is the original photo, but I would like to have her wear a blue jacket instead. So I told it to the AI. And as you can see, even though it's just a random model that I just created, you can see how consistent it remains. So I edited the photo, everything else is exactly as it was in the original photo, but the jacket color just changed. And I also wanted to add her a green and short hair instead of this dark. And here's the result. So once again, everything else remained exactly as I wanted it. And now the jacket is blue and the hair is short and green. So here the character consistency remains even though we do some edits on it. Now, I was ready with my character, so I think I want to use this one. So now I just wanted to start edit other parts of the image and do cool stuff with it. So first I told it to make a day, and as you can see, still we have the same exact photo, but now we have a daytime over here. Or actually it looks like an evening time, but still it looks kind of decent. Then I told the AI to place her in a beach. And here's what Nano Banana didn't really nail, and that is the lighting. So as you can see, this still looks like the photo from the streets where we have darker lighting and nothing like it was taken on a beach. It is clearly understanding what parts to take and what parts to leave from the original photo, but it doesn't really apply any coloring to this, so that's, or shading, so that's a bit of a bummer. And then I told it to make her play soccer. Well, this looks a bit better, but to be honest, if I'm not mistaken, it still looks like the same lighting from this city scene. Okay, so then I told the AI to make her play volleyball, and this looks already a bit better. So here we can clearly see that the lighting is matching, the skin lighting is matching the scene here. And then last but not least, I told the AI to make her walk with her friends in the beach. So I think this is pretty decent, and the character consistency remains, so we don't diverge from the original path too much. But now let's also do the same thing with ChatGPT. So here I have created my character using ChatGPT. Once again, I told it to create a model standing in New York, and now we have this photo. Then I told the AI to turn the jacket blue. So once again, you can see that it doesn't just change the jacket, but it also changes some things in the background. So we already start to diverge from the original photo quite heavily, even on those places and areas I don't want to change. Then I asked the AI to turn the hair green and short. And here's the character, and as you can see, it already looks quite different also in facial expressions and features than the original photo. So here it's already messing up with the consistency. And then I asked it to turn it into a daytime. So I think this one worked out really nicely. But once again, I think it is changing the face and the person while it's doing these edits that should not touch this character. So that's a bit off. Then I asked it to place her on the beach. Then I asked the AI to make her play soccer. Then I asked the AI to make her play volleyball. And then I asked the AI to make her walk with her friends. So here you can already see that this character looks entirely different to this. I think this one and this one has at least like 15 years of age between the two. So yeah, if you do ChatGPT edits, I think it captures the environment perfectly and the lighting pretty well. So this doesn't look like the image that was taken here or here. But then again, it entirely generates the photo again, so you will not be able to target the edits into one specific area of your photo, at least if you do it directly on ChatGPT.